Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So if you like oatmeal like I do, then this video is for you. Let's get started. So in this pot, I'm adding 2 cups of water. And I'm also going to add 1.5 cups of oatmeal. And I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream as well. And then at the end, I ended up adding 1 cup of water as well, as you guys can see over here. And we are going to go ahead and stir. So this oatmeal is a creamy oatmeal. There's something about heavy cream that changed the recipe and it tasted so good. So I added 1 cup of milk over here because we want it to be creamy as we continue to stir. So I'm using quick oats. And this recipe took about 15 minutes to cook. And guys, it was really delicious. Like, I wanted to film this for you guys. That's how good it was. So we are actually done for this recipe. You don't need much. You just want to make sure that you like it to your thickness. I like it a little thick and not too thick, but just, you know, a little bit of thickness. So now that we are done, guys, I am going to go ahead and serve my oatmeal. This took about 15 to 20 minutes just cooking it. So right over here, we're just serving it in the bowl. And I kid you not, guys, this oatmeal is the best recipe that I've ever tried. I think I ate it for like 3 days straight. Just kept on eating oatmeal. So to my oatmeal, I'm just adding some garnish, and you can put whatever garnish you want. But for me, I added blueberries, and I also added some dates for sweetening because I didn't want to add sugar in there because I felt like adding the milk and the heavy cream made it sweet anyway. So this was really delicious. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and let me know how you like this video. I'll see you next time when I make something new. Bon appetit. Bye.